So I've just come down to get a few bits to start preparing to paint the van. I've got masking tape and masks and whatever else. So I'm going to sand the whole van down in 240 grit, sort out the bits of the little spots of rust and that, the surface rust and that lot. And yeah, sand it down and start preparing it for painting. I've ordered the paint. I've ordered 5 litres of Cobalt blue satin military paint and a litre of thinners. I've never done this before. This is new to me. This video is not a how-to. There's no tips, no tricks. This could go really badly wrong if I'm honest. I've never done this before. I'm a bit nervous. But yeah, first of all, prep. So I've got the bits. I've got a decent sander. I've been lent again. And I'm going to sand the whole van down in 240 grit, start treating bits that need treating, and crack on from there. So basically what needs to be done is all that shine, you can see the reflection off the bodywork needs to go. It needs to be scratched right down so there's no shine at all on there. I've got to treat, there's little bits of rust. I've already started doing a few bits. I've got the sander. Good sander that is. 240 grit, and I'm going to start sanding it down. Right, so I think that's how we want to get it. So there's no shine, no reflection. There's a few little marks up there I need to go over, but that is roughly how we got to get the old van. I'm going to take it down for the jet wash. All nice and clean. Obviously I ain't used no wax or anything. I can start primering all the bits of metal that's bare. Well, once it dries obviously. She's ready to roll. So I've been umming and ahhing. I ain't got a clue whether to roll the paint, whether to shoot it on or what. So I found this in Lidl for 30 quid and this is the way I'm going. I'm going to try this out. Right, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so I can't be too loud. It's all prepped. I've gone around the whole van with some thinners just to clean off any contaminants or anything. I didn't take the front lights out because there's a little hex bolt that's rounded off. I didn't take this mirror off because there's a little bolt that's rounded off. So someone's had a good go at it before. But everything's taped. Do I sound nervous? Because I am. I've got to get the number plate off as well. Then I'm ready to go before the heat starts. so first coat is on. It's about 30 degrees out here, so it's baking nicely now. It was on by about 9 o'clock. There's a few run marks. We'll have to sand it down when it goes off properly and give it a second coat. I'll probably do it this evening when it cools down a bit. I was quite surprised actually with that sprayer. 30 quid from Lidl's. It ain't gone on too bad for the first time I've ever sprayed. So the second coat went on about 8 o'clock last night. It's now 10 o'clock the next morning. I've just just took all the tape and everything off, and it started bloody raining, so I hope the rain don't affect it, but it is what it is now. And that's what you can get from a £30 spray gun. Still got to spray the bumpers, spray the mirrors. So day number 3, there's 3 bird shits on it, Sahara dust all over it. It's absolutely filthy. So the van's all done, all sorted. All I've got to do at some point is take the bumpers off, spray the bumpers, but that'd be another video. First time I've ever sprayed anything with a £30 fence sprayer, and it came out right. It came out better than what I thought it would. I was quite nervous at first, but prep is definitely key. Everyone keeps telling me prep's key, spraying's easy, and it is. Just take your time with the prep. Like I said, it's done now, it's on. I've got the door shuts to do. Well, I've done one side with a paintbrush. Oh, sorry, I'm out on the road. I've got one side done with a paintbrush. I've got half of the other side done, and I need to order a little bit more paint or some rattle can of the same colour just to finish off the door shuts properly, and that's it. But what I'll do is I'll put all the stuff in the description, the paint, code, where I got it from, the sprayer if you want. It's from Lidl's, 30 quid, but I'll put that in the description as well if I can find it on there. Yeah, and I'm done. Win-win. It's been alright, but thanks everyone who helped and all the advice and everything else, and thanks for watching.